Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your VIVO X300 Ultra heating while charging. First, check if fast charging is enabled, as some heating is normal with fast charging. Go to Settings, scroll down to Battery and then to Battery Health and Charging. If the fast charging switch is blue, it's enabled. Check for background apps that may cause heat and high power consumption. In battery settings, go to Background Power Control and restrict background power usage for apps. You can stop apps from running in the background or restrict power usage for specific apps like Netflix. Avoid using the phone while charging, such as playing games or watching videos. Remove your case if you have one, as it can trap heat and prevent proper heat dissipation. As a last resort, charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.